Ben, salut, c'est Mathieu. On est dans le beau de Red Giant Software, dans le coin des plugins de Final Cut. On est avec Sean qui va nous montrer la nouvelle version de ToonIT, qui est ToonIT 2. ToonIT, c'est un plugin qui permet de faire un effet qui était très populaire cette année, un effet cartoon sur tout ce qui est vidéo. Alors, Sean va nous montrer un peu ce que ça fait. Après ça, il va nous expliquer comment on peut s'en servir dans Final Cut. So, Sean, you just released ToonIT 2. And so what's new about ToonIT 2?
Big changes in the amount of effects you can do. So new natural media styles, new outline styles, new heat vision plugin, and all those run natively inside of Final Cut. Plus up to 4x speed improvement over the old version.
Okay. That seems very interesting. So you're going to show us a little demo?
So first I'm going to show you
what it can do.
Movie showing you the original, and then this will just be a few seconds of each of the styles. So the first one is sort of a basic cartoon look. Here we have one of our new natural media styles called chalk painting. To get this nice sort of rippled look. Children's book is more of a soft kind of impressionist or gouache paint kind of look. This is a new comic with finer lines. Graphic arts, which is kind of a print look almost.
Yeah.
So another natural media style, impressionism. It's a new airbrush style that we have. It also does sepia tones within the plugin. It's a soft oil paint look. Another print look using half toning on top of the image. And then this is a watercolor look, and you get very nice rippling lines. And then another new outline style called woodcut. Okay, so that's basically some of the different styles that we have in the product. I'm going to switch over to Final Cut Pro now. And if you see here, I just have the same sequence set up inside of the Final Cut Pro interface in Final Cut Pro 6, and same demo footage. Now there's two ways you can get to the application. I can have my clip selected and go to Video Filters, Red Giant ToonIT, Rototune, or use any one of the different filters in the package. Rototune is the main plugin that does all of the different inking and watercolor styles. And so I could apply it here, and then go through and actually create the style that I'm looking for. Or we've built a custom project that has ToonIT presets, so you don't have to start from scratch. You can actually come in here and say, I think I want to do a comic enhanced. So I can drag and drop directly from this project we created.
And these presets are installed with ToonIT.
Exactly. So this project comes with it. You're ready to go. All I had to do was drag and drop, and I've already got that style applied inside of here. And I can do some tweaks if there are things I want to change, little bits of.
And you get the same interface from the presets you dragged in as the same. You have the same parameters that in the plugin, the full plugin.
Exactly. So these are, I think I loaded the Final Cut 5 ones, which only show you them ungrouped. So there's a slight difference because there's two different projects. We wanted to make sure we supported older users with Final Cut 5 and new users with Final Cut 6. Okay. So it's backwards compatible. Not sure how many Final Cut 5 users are there out there, but.
Cool. And what are they based on FXplug
yes,
technology?
Native FX Plug architecture, fully multi-threaded, so it takes advantage of all the cores in a Mac Pro. So if you have 8 cores, it takes advantage of 8-core processing. That's how you get the big speed up.
Cool. Alors, il nous dit que le plugin prend toute la puissance de tous les processeurs, fait que c'est pour ça qu'ils sont capables d'arriver à des résultats assez rapidement. And what's about, is it, you don't have the real-time playback on it, no?
No. Because it's
quite a heavy processing.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's about what's the speed? I'm trying to give a good definition. So if you were doing Standard definition,
Yep.
it would probably be about 1 second a frame on a Mac Pro.
Okay.
If you were rendering HD, it's probably about 2 seconds a frame or so.
Okay.
So yes, it's slow. Our old version was like 8 seconds per frame, 12 seconds per frame. So we really sped it up compared to that.
Ce que ça l'a permis de faire aussi, c'est que l'ancienne version de ToonIT 1 faisait des rendus de 8 secondes par frame. Maintenant, la nouvelle version en SD fait du 1 seconde par frame et en HD fait du 2 secondes. Fait qu'on a une nette amélioration. C'est un beau produit. So, well, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Sean. And, well, I hope to see everybody working with that because it does like great results.
Yeah, it really is the closest you're going to get without hand painting it.
Yeah.
And in fact, there's a number of commercials running here in the US from Schwab, and while they didn't use our tools directly, they actually used ToonIT to create the first pass, and then they went in and rotoed out backgrounds because they wanted the subject, the people, to be really isolated.
Okay.
So they isolated the people, and then they went in and created hand-painted backgrounds, and then used the other content as a foreground object. So ours was partially used, but not completely for that thing, because they really wanted a very special kind of look for that. But it does generate really great results, and we're pretty proud of it.
Cool. Thanks a lot.
All right, thank you.